In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make columns on Weebly. Columns are a simple way to organize information side by side, like pairing text with an image, listing features in 3 neat blocks, or laying out services in a clean grid. We'll keep this straightforward and practical so you can build a polished section in minutes. First, open your site editor. From your Weebly dashboard, select the website you want to work on and click Edit Site to launch the builder. Navigate to the exact page where you want your columns to appear. It's helpful to have a rough idea of what will go in each column, maybe a headline and paragraph in one, an image in another, so you can pick the right layout. Next, drag a section with columns onto your page. In the left-hand toolbar, find the section element. Click and drag it to the spot where you want your new content to live. When you see a placement line or highlight, drop it there. Weebly will display layout options for the section. Choose the option that includes columns. It may be labeled columns, multiple columns, or shown as side-by-side blocks. Sections help keep your content aligned and responsive, so starting with a section is the easiest way to get consistent results. Now choose your column layout, 2, 3, or more. 2 columns are great for a balanced text and image layout. 3 columns work nicely for features, team members, or pricing highlights. Pick what matches your content density and how much breathing room you want. Remember, you can change this selection later if it feels too crowded or too sparse. Then add your content inside the columns. Drag elements like text, image, button, or video from the left panel into each column. Wait for the column to highlight, then drop the element in. Keep formatting consistent across columns. Use the same heading size, similar image dimensions, and comparable text lengths so everything looks cohesive. For scannability, lead with a short headline and follow with a concise paragraph. Consider that on mobile, columns stack vertically. So place your most important content in the first column to ensure it appears near the top for phone visitors. When you're happy with the layout and content, click Publish. This pushes your changes live so visitors can see them. After publishing, view the live page and check it on both desktop and mobile. If anything looks off, return to the editor, tweak your text sizes or image proportions, and publish again. With these steps, you've created a clean, flexible column layout in Weebly that's easy to maintain and looks great.